Understanding typical applications can help determine whether a centrifuge meets specific experimental needs. Typical applications: clinical diagnostics, application, blood and urine sample processing. Importance: separates components for analysis. Biotechnology, application, cell culture preparation and purification. Importance: harvests cells and removes contaminants. Pharmaceutical research, application, formulation development and drug testing. Importance: analyzes active ingredients and excipients. Environmental science, application, water and soil sample analysis. Importance: identifies pollutants and contaminants. Forensic science, application, DNA extraction and analysis. Importance: supports criminal investigations. Chemical analysis, application, sample preparation and separation. Importance: prepares samples for spectroscopic analysis. Food industry, application, quality control and ingredient analysis. Importance: ensures food safety and consistency. Research laboratories, application, protein and nucleic acid purification. Importance: facilitates molecular biology research. Centrifuges are versatile tools with applications across multiple fields, from clinical diagnostics to environmental science. To learn more about our range of centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding typical applications, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.